Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Delonghi coffee maker, the Primadonna model. It's an automatic espresso maker and complaint is it doesn't switch on. Let's try it out. It is switched on from the back. Nothing. Now let's access the PCB board and check what might be wrong. So two screws at the back. There is one more screw here to take this switch cover. Then you lift the whole thing up. Upon inspection I found out that there was a short in the power IC between drain and source. So that means we definitely have a problem on the primary side of the power supply. Here's just a video to see where all the cables are located. So we can start disassembling. So many of these connectors have a safety pin that you have to press in order to disconnect it. As you can see, I have already removed the power IC. I did that by using some tin foil, aluminum foil, and cover the plastic parts around, and used my cheapy hot air station to remove it. If you don't have a hot air station, I believe it's better to use some cutters and cut the pins of the chip and remove it that way. Now what we have to do is remove the parts and check them out. Now I have received the replacement parts for the Primadonna PCB. So what we need is a 47 ohm 3 watt resistor. This is 1 millihenry or 1000 microhenries coil. Now, the one I got looked quite a bit smaller, so I've ordered one of these which should do the job. Now the second coil, which looks like a resistor, is okay. I also checked the electrolyte capacitors because they are known to fail, of course, but these are good, and also these are 5000 hour capacitors. And I'm going to leave them as is. Now, what I've also noticed, I don't know if you can see here, so this X2 capacitor it's out of focus. It's 110 nanofarads, although it is a 220 nanofarad. So I'm also going to change this, as I think it is in series in the PCB. And finally, our LNK364 power chip. Now let's solder everything. Here is our X2 cap. I will have the part names down in the description, and let's do some soldering. I'm going to clean the pads of the IC a little bit with the soldering iron. Use just a bit of paste. Now, because I have applied already solder paste, it will suck up the solder. Do one point. We are pretty much straight. Do the other side as well. And now and will look good. Now the capacitors, be always careful of the polarity. And that's pretty much it. So we have changed the X2 cap, the 47 ohm resistor, the 1 millihenry coil, and the IC. Now let's give here a bit of a clean. And let's put it on the coffee maker and see if it works. Oh, of course, I have tested these three capacitors as well. They do measure absolutely fine, so no problem there. Now we have all our connectors plugged in, and we're going to switch it on and see what happens. Now I have plugged it in, the switch back is on. Let's see if the magic smoke escapes. And we have a winner. So this is another fix. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you like this content. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.